Hello everyone, I'm Brian McDonald, and this is my presentation on good design versus bad design. The first good design I thought of was a paperclip, simple and sophisticated. Paperclip is a very timeless design, and it's very simple and easy to use, and when the user is going to use it, they can see how they will use it is very straightforward. It looks how you're going to use it, the way you're going to use it. And the next thing that I have put out for the good designs is voice search. And everybody uses voice search every day of their lives, pretty much. If you have a phone, you can use Siri or you can use Google Voice. I have also recently purchased an Amazon Echo that has voice search on it, and is very useful, and it allows for convenience for people with things like directions, search inquiries, and other things that help people accomplish things on the go. For the bad designs, I picked window blinds was one that I thought of, and this is a very simple product that people can see the end result and they see the end goal, but sometimes it can get confusing when you have blinds that use chains, blinds that use strings, vertical blinds, horizontal blinds, and all the variations can get confusing when you're just trying to achieve one goal. And for the last bad design, I chose right-handed desks, and I said, what about the lefties? I'm a left-handed, and this was troublesome for me in school, and with a lack of left-handed desks, the design for this product kind of left out lefties and kind of left out part of the population. And I thought that in design, all consumers should be considered, and in this case, they are not. The minority is left out. And in this picture above, if you can spot the one lefty desk, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much.